Hello, good evening everyone. Muli po, nandito na naman po ang inyong kamemorya sa inyong harapan. Samahan niyo po muli ako sa isa na naman pong episode ng aking journey sa Bible memorization. This time po, meron po tayong new edition. Kasi po, meron pong nag-request sa akin na mas maganda daw po na nakapikit kapag magre-recite. So, inisip ko po na parang mas maganda nga po yung ganon. Kasi kapag nakamulat po ako, nakatingin sa camera, nadidistract po ako kapag nakikita ko yung mukha ko. So, kaya po, try ko po na i-recite po yung 66 books of the Bible, 39 sa Old Testament, then 27 books sa New Testament. Try ko pong i-recite ng nakapikit. So, without further ado, let's get into it. I'm closing my eyes, beginning from Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1st and 2nd Samuel, 1st and 2nd Kings, 1st and 2nd Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentation, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi. So that is 39 books of the Old Testament. Then next is 27 books of the New Testament, beginning from Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Acts, Romans, 1st and 2nd Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, 1st and 2nd Thessalonians, 1st and 2nd Timothy, Titus, Philemon, Hebrews, James, 1st and 2nd Peter, 1st John, 3rd John, 1st John, 2nd John, 3rd John, Jude, and Revelation. So, pakicheck na lang po, paki-comment po dyan sa baba ng mga nalakdawan na mga books. So, yun lang po sa gabing ito. Muli po, maraming salamat. And God bless everyone.